Do you want to stay healthy, but you don't like to cook and you want easy, fast, fun recipes that keep your body running like a well-oiled machine? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we're cooking up something called Delicata Squash. Oh my goodness. This squash, it makes your mouth just pop. But this recipe, it makes it even better. So watch and be amazed at how easy and fun this is. And please, if you're one of those people that don't like to cook, but you want to be healthy, we're introducing whole, real foods, nothing processed, nothing packaged. And I'm going to show you how easy and fast it is. This recipe, it takes about 10 minutes maybe to prep, and then about 30 minutes in your oven. But that's time you could be doing other fun things in your household. So I wanted to tell you before we get started how wonderful good nutrition makes your body feel. I mean, it's amazing. You don't feed your car bad fuel, right? But we put bad fuel into our bodies. No more of that. This is fast, fun, and delicious. This is a Delicata Squash. Isn't it beautiful with all the colors? And it's perfect for fall. So I just take my trusty knife and I cut the sides off. This is the easy part. This is one of my favorite squashes because it's so easy to cut up. And then I just cut it down the middle, just like this. And there we go. But I love how easily the seeds come out. You can just pull them out just like this. And I'll show you. I have some already made up. So I'm going to cook these seeds just like pumpkin seeds. You know how we make pumpkin seeds? Maybe your mom did it. Pumpkin seeds. And I'm going to roast them and we're going to put them on the squash. So I stir this up, put it in a pan, in a little baking pan, and I'm going to cook this on about 400 for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to throw that into the oven in just a sec. And now let's make the sauce for the Delicata Squash. So I've already cut some up. You just cut it lengthwise. You can see how yummy that is. And we're going to throw it in another bowl so it's easy to season like that. And we are going to mix olive oil, simple, a seasoning blend. Now this seasoning blend, so delicious. There's some salt, some chipotle pepper. Hey, you want to use chipotle because it's a little bit sweeter. And oh, I put some thyme in it and some paprika. So I'm just throwing all that in. And maybe a teaspoon, just a little, of maple syrup. But that's optional. You don't have to put the sweetness in. And then my shining ingredient, and actually my very, very favorite seasoning, it's cumin. And I like a lot of it. So the recipe calls for about half a teaspoon, but I like to use a lot. So I've got this concoction made up, and I'm pouring it over my Delicata Squash. Simple, easy. And then I just stir it all up, and I throw it. Now my other secret is parchment paper. Hey, if you're not using parchment paper, you're missing out. You don't have to clean the pan. It's the best. So we're just going to get this really well coated. And I'm going to dump this on the parchment paper and pull the olive oil that's at the bottom all out of the pan. So let me show you this. We've got our squash on our parchment paper. And I'm just pulling the extra oils and spices because you don't want to miss any of that, right? Oh my goodness. And then I just want to separate these. I'm going to throw them in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the finished product. It is so delicious. They're sweet. And the beautiful thing is when things are sweet, hey, your cravings go away. You are eating natural, whole, real foods that are full of sweetness and delicious. And so I want to tell you a little bit about something you have right now, right here It is my craving series, and you can get it easily and effortlessly. It's kick your cravings to the curb. Yeah, kick your cravings to the curb. You like that? It's a craving challenge. It's 21 days to go from constantly craving to calm and comfortable in your own body. Wouldn't you love that? Yum, yum, yum. So click on over to my website, or if you're here already, enjoy it and sign up, register today. And I'm going to give you 21 days of practical and some alternative things that I've discovered over the years that can really help you kick those cravings to the curb. And it's perfect timing for the holidays. So enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye. I love you. Hey, I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. But more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out and love yourself, and I'll see you in the Craving Kicker. Can't wait to see you there. Bye-bye. Okay, now we've got the finished product for the Delicata Squash, but I want to tell you what I did for it. Just to give it a little extra power boost, you got to put yummy things on all your food. My theory is you savor your food and then you savor your life. You eat it, you savor the flavors, and then you have the ability to go out and really savor your life. The way you eat is usually the way you do everything. So this is the Delicata Squash, and look, I have the Delicata Squash, but I've topped it with some cilantro, and then normally I don't eat dairy, but just for special occasions, especially if I was going to take this to a party or something like that, look, I put goat cheese on top. Wow, yum, yum, yum. And then remember the seeds? They're so easy to roast up. What I wanted to tell you was they're so much easier to roast than pumpkin seeds because they're easy to get out of that squash. So I roasted up some of the seeds and I sprinkled that on top, and this is just beautiful. It's going to be great for your holidays, so much better than, a yam pie with marshmallows and all the crap in it. So much healthier, and everyone will probably really love it, and you're going to get rave reviews. So enjoy it. I would love to see you on my Craving Kicker, 21 days to go from constantly craving to calm and comfortable in your own body. Can you imagine what that would do for you? Waking up on January 1st after the holidays and feeling fabulous. That's what I want for you. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I'm here to help you rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. But more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out and love yourself, and I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.